Alright, y'all. Take a look at these two GP38-2s that I'm showing y'all. Both CSX from Lifelike. I did not know Lifelike can produce a CSX locomotive. I ain't never had a CSX locomotive from Lifelike, let alone a GP38-2. Both got different CSX paint scheme. The one down the bottom got a 1986 base CSX paint scheme. But the road number is not it's not a correct road number. See, 638, not a correct road number for a GP38-2. Especially a CSX GP38-2. Supposed to be on a GP40-2, not a GP38-2. But that's alright though. I ain't changing this road number. I like it the way it is. Still a CSX GP38-2 from Lifelike. Here's the other GP38-2. Now this one got a CSX YN2 painted paint scheme on it. And look what this one got. Got the word transportation underneath it too. And they got the era, 1986 to 1996. And this one's also from Lifelike. Some ain't it? A CSX YN2 paint scheme on a Lifelike GP38-2. Now this one got the correct road number, 2678. Now let me tell you something about this road number. Let me tell you something about this GP38-2. This locomotive was featured in a Railroad magazine. Yeah. 2678 in the lead of an eastbound freight train. This is the exact road number of a GP38-2. This GP38-2 here. Coincidence, man. Just coincidence. But take a look at both of these GP38-2s. Both CSX from Lifelike. Never in a million years thought Lifelike would create a CSX GP38-2, let alone a CSX locomotive. Happened upon both of them online, and I had to acquire both of these locomotives. Man, I tell you. Now I got two of these locomotives. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm keeping these locomotives. And I'm leaving this road number alone. Ain't no need to mess with it. That's how the factory did it. This I'm gonna keep it. A GP40-2 road number on a CSX GP38-2. But I'm gonna leave that one alone. I ain't messing with it. But this one, this is the correct road number. Especially with a YN2 painted Lifelike CSX GP38-2. Ain't nobody saying nothing about that. But I'm saying something about it. Cause I got it right here sitting in front of you. Oh. One more thing I gotta show y'all. One more thing. Bam. my Atlas CSX 2 C30-7. I just had to get this one too. And look at this road number. 7017. You know, one of the rebuilt AC 44 C6 MWs of CSX got this road number now. Did you know that? I saw one on Wildwood of Trains when they showed that locomotive running a rebuilt General Electric's AC 44 C6M with that road number 7017. I just had to show this locomotives too. C30-7 and 2 CSX GP38-2s. Amazingly, of these two. Amazingly, of these two. From Lifelike. Only thing I got from Lifelike was chassis system and Santa Fe. But now, 2 CSXs? Man. I got it made this time around. Yep. Now let me put this C30-7 back in the box. Thought I'd show y'all. But now let's take a look at these locomotives. Oh, one more thing I gotta show y'all. One thing. Check this Bachman locomotive out. My B30-7. Also CSX. Y2 painted one. My B30-7. Look at it. Yep. From Bachman. Oh. One more thing I gotta show you before I put it up. One more thing. I gotta show y'all. I'll deal with this box in a minute. One more thing I gotta show y'all. Hold up. Let me get it open. Y'all. It's only gonna take me a minute. Hold up. Let me get it open. Oh, now I got it open. Alright. My CSX GP40-2 with this road number. Yep. From Afton. And this one is a power one, not no dummy. A power one. Yep, this one's a power one. Yep. You move these GP38-2. Let me let y'all look at this locomotive. And let me let y'all look at this Bachman CSX B30-7. I wish it was a B36-7 so we all could be even here. But hey, it's a B30-7. Yep. Take a look at this. And take a look at my powered CSX GP40-2. And check out the one-of-a-kind Atlas CSX C30-7. And now, I gotta end the video, so thank y'all for watching. Goodbye.